Hello, welcome back to my channel, Charlie's Lessons, and in this video we'll be answering the question, does Google Docs have resume templates? So to answer that question, we're going to go to the Apps Launcher and we're going to go to the Docs app. You should see documents that you own at the bottom, and here you can see the various templates that Google Docs offers. If we click on Template Gallery, this will open all templates available on Google Docs. And as you can see, the first 5 should appear as 5 resume templates. Here you can choose the one that suits the job offer the best. To choose one, all we need to do is select it, and this will create a resume template that you can start editing. All you need to do is change the title to a different name, and this will save as your own personal resume template or resume to send to your next job application. Thank you for watching this video on whether Google Docs has resume templates. I'll see you in the next video.